Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. So today we are going to have a look at my dividend portfolio. Now I don't think I'll be receiving dividend stock at this point. I think I'm looking rather end of this month due to the fact that I bought my stock mid last month. But I still want to be growing my portfolio. So today I will be adding extra money to my portfolio. Where I'd like to be is having 2 shares of the 5 stocks I decided to buy last month. Now if you would like to know more about the 5 stocks that I've decided to buy and why I decided to buy them, I'll link the previous video on top so you can have a look at that. And at the end of this video I'll also have an extra special bonus on an extra way of saving a bit of money. Let's have a look at my portfolio. Now my portfolio is with Trading 212. So let's have a look and log in. Wow, can you guys believe it? I've received my first dividends. I didn't expect any dividends till end of this month due to the fact that I bought my first shares on the 13th of July. So this is a really nice surprise for me. I know it's not a lot. It's only 12 pence. But if you have a look, so for this one share, I earn 12 pence per month, which means that's a total earnings of £1.44 for the year. Now, to be able to get the same amount of money in interest in a savings account, now my savings account, I get 0.4% of interest and it only gets paid out annually. But for me to get this interest from the bank, I need to have in my savings account £360 for the whole year. I'm not allowed to touch any bit of it, otherwise my interest will be a lot less. So that means I only get paid out annually my £1.44 if my savings account has got £360 in for the whole of the year. Now I think the 12 pence is really great, especially if you think this is only for one of my shares, and for this specific share I only paid $37.64, which equate to £29.83. So that's not even £30 that I paid for this share to get this amount of dividends. Now imagine how much dividends I will be receiving if I take the £360 that you would put into the bank to get this in interest and you buy that in stocks and shares. If you're getting value so far, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. The first stock that I bought today is Pembina, so I'll be owning 2 shares of this company. Now this company is in the utility industry as well as the transport industry. Now the second share that I bought today was Main Capital Corporation. Now this is a company that has borrowing solutions for companies. So the third one I bought is in Stag Industrial. Now this is a company that deals with real estate for industrial environments. Now the fourth one I'm buying stocks into will be LTC Reit. Now this is also a real estate company that I'm going to buy stocks in. Now for this one I'll actually show you how I do the buy. So you just click on LTC property, you select buy, it opens up, and then you select how much shares you want to buy. So I'm only going to buy one. You can also change it to the value. If you only have £10 or £20 you want to buy a share in any site, any type of share, then to buy a partial share you just put in the value there. But I'm just going to buy one share of this. So this is going to cost me £27.73 to buy this share at this stage. So we click on review order. Then you can see there's the order and the commission is free. So send your buy order. Then you will see at the top, it actually shows you the buy order. And you will also see it here in your pending orders. Now, hopefully within the next minute or so, that will be going over to my main stocks to be showing that I've bought that share. Now, as you can see, this is what my account looks like at the moment. I've got realty income with one share, LTC Properties with 2 shares, Stag Industrial with 2 shares, Main Street Capital with 2 shares, and Pembina with 2 shares. And I still have some free funds of £4.49, but this gives me a total account value of £240 for all my stocks and share at this minute. Now for today's bonus, this is an easy way to save a lot of money. I know you still want to have your hairdresser days where you feel pampered, but if you have a look at how much you're actually paying a hairdresser, it can be very expensive, especially if you go on a regular basis. So I'm not saying don't go to a hairdresser at all, because we do need to go to get our hair cut sometimes, and maybe that's when you get a top off of them doing your hair with color the way you like. But what I did is I colored my hair, and it only cost me £6, and I did it myself. So that saved me £29 just to do it myself. So if you go to a hairdresser once a month to get your hair done, and you do it once at your house, that is a real saving of £29 a month that you can make, that you could use for something you would really like to do, or maybe add that to some money for a nice fun day out. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Please leave any topic request or any questions for me in the comments below, and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye!